shoulders and her neck.
So Stephanie just gave Nick some lessons on how to hold a baby.
I'm not very good at that.
Yeah, I didn't give the lessons because I don't know myself. I just learned 2 weeks ago.
Actually.
Oh, look at that! Look at how cute she is.
Very dry skin. Here.
Our doctor, Dr. Sengupta, told us to put petroleum jelly all over the entire baby's body. We haven't been doing it.
We're supposed to dip the baby in petroleum jelly every night.
She does like it on her fanny, though. That's for sure.
Who's a baby?
Oh, oh, baby. No crying. Oh, oh. See, sometimes isn't comfortable laying flat. Like if you put her up on your shoulder.
Or if you feed her.
Yeah, that too. Is that what it is? I think she just isn't comfortable laying flat yet. Like, oh. There we go.
She's trying to eat.
Is she hungry? Okay, baby.
She's cute.
More video of
baby.
Nick later. Nick, anything for the camera?
No, I'm not good at this stuff.